I'm going to explain the one question in constants. The question is write a constant to generate a pattern like this. Firstly, uh, constant. Why we need the constant? Uh, because we need the constant because of uh, controlling of randomization, right? Controlling of randomization, right? Uh, that's why we're using the constraints. Um, Here, if you see this, um, first I declare the class here. Um, I'll explain in the EDA playground. If you will get better clarity. Um, if you if you see here, if you see here, firstly I declare the class. Uh, then I take an array. When we printing this type of structure like 0 1 1 0 1 0 like this, we need to declare an array with the data type of int and the rand keyword we are using for the randomization. In the for the array size I declared as a 10. Then actual logic. If you see that see that um, 101010, this type of structure, right? Like even places occupied by a 1 and odd places occupied by a 0, right? For that purpose, I used the even number logic, right? For the even index means 0 2 4 6. These index numbers I'm giving as a 1. Okay. For other indexes means 1 3, these indexes I given as a 0. Then like if you were assigning a value to the variable in the constants, we use the double equal to in the constants. Okay. I used the post randomization for the printing purpose. Here I used the percentage fee p access specifier. Why? Because I'm printing the entire array. Not without using the for each loop. We can do for each loop to print the array also, but I don't want 2 3 lines to print an array. That's why I use it the uh, percentage p. Then n function and the class and the top module top, and I declare the uh, handle for class in the initial begin, and with the new constructor, with the new constructor constructor um allocating the memory. Okay. Memory. And the c dot randomization. Here i'm calling the i'm calling the I'm calling the randomization here. Okay. Then when we call the randomization, first the like pre-randomization, like with the rand keyword, we initialize the, like with the data type of we initialize the variable. then constant, then post randomization. This will be happen. First randomization will be happen, then first pre randomization, that randomization, and post randomization. These will be happen. First, it will randomize the value according to the constant condition. Then post randomization will work. If you run the code, you will get clarity. Okay. It's coming. If you see this 1010, okay, like if you want, you can change this value as a one. Even places print the 0, and odd places it will print the um, 1. You can do like that also. Okay. Another model for this code, for this pattern only, we can do another model also. Here I'm using the uh, integer. We can use the bit also. Means because we are using, it's storing the 1 and 0 values, right? Uh, for that, we can use the bit also. I'm using the integer. There is no problem. Other than like 2 3, for these values you can take the integer. Integer for easy to store those values. Like if you don't want, you can use the for those values. Like if you want to store the, if you if you want to store the, sorry, if you want to store the values other than 1 0 and 1, you can you can use the use the use the like integer integer data type, or else we can use the hmm, means according to the, if suppose less than 8 means 3-bit value, right? We can use the unpacked array of bit data type. Okay, like means, okay, means bit, okay, bit, yeah, okay. This also we can use. Means like depending on the value, we can change this bits. Okay, this is an unpacked array. For this, another model also there. I'll explain that one also. uh, that is my logic. Uh, Usually we use the even and odd numbers, but you can use that thing also. Okay, I'll 1 minute. The PPT we have that logic. Not this one. I think so. This one only. Yeah. Same thing. Here, if you see this, uh, uh, int is a 32-bit data type, right? 32-bit data type means 32 values it can store, right? 32. Suppose means 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 32 32 32 values, sorry, values it can store, right. Hmm? Here, I'm assigning directly to the I'm assigning if each value with the 1. Okay, here I'm declaring the int data type. Means each bit of each, here size is 10. Here int data type. Here here size is 10, right? Size is 10, right? Uh, each one is a 32-bit. Okay, 32-bit, right? I'm here. If you see, each index I'm storing means each 32-bit, each 32-bit, each 32-bit value, I'm storing the 1. Okay, each 32-bit value I'm storing the 1. Okay, 1 means remaining 31 bits will be, right? Remaining means 1 bit, means in the 32 bits, 1 bit will be the 1. remaining the remaining other 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 bits will be 0, right? Zeros, right? Means um, that's why I stored here as a 1. Okay, in the post randomization, if you see this, uh, clearly observe, I'm accessing the 2 bits in the 32 bit of each value. I'm accessing the 2 bits. Okay, I'll run the code, then you will get clarity, you will get more clarity on that my explanation. Okay, like I'm changing the value of 3. Okay, means 001 you will get. Okay, Yes. You can use like this also, no issues uh, for this. Hmm? Um, this is the one of the logic we can use for manual logic. In the next video, I'll make a video for this pattern for a manual logic. How can we store them manually 001 in an array directly? This is not a correct process. If you don't know, how to do that even number and odd number, we can simply remember this thing. It will be helpful to solve that pattern. Okay, this is a thing. This is the thing. Okay, um, this is a thing we use. Here also we can use the bit also. There is no issue. In the PPT itself I will explain. If you see this, I taken as a unpacked array. Each bit, like each the array size is 10, the each one having a 2 bits. Okay, 2 bits means I'm directly storing here 0 1. I'm accessing those things. Okay, I'm accessing those bits. That's it. Hmm? uh, I'll execute this one. I have a doubt it will execute or not. 1 minute. Right, you understand. You understand. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. uh, let's see what happened. Mhm. Yeah, it is executing. Okay, it is executing. That's it. Like guys, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. This is the logic tools to print this type of patterns, this type of pattern. Okay, 101 0 1 0, these type of patterns we use, this type of logics. Hmm, okay. Uh, Guys, I'll send this code also in the comment box in the description. You can check this code also. I'll give you that. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys.